This is science! In this video I will be looking at caterpillars. I got this kit for Christmas. Let's have a look inside. We've got a butterfly net. We've got a pipette, a butterfly, a cocoon, a caterpillar, and an egg. And we've also got a voucher to send off some real caterpillars. This is an egg. The egg hatches to a caterpillar. The caterpillar eats and eats and eats. And then it becomes a chrysalis. The cocoon hatches. It's turned into a butterfly. Today the postman came. He bought the caterpillars. They're inside this box. Let's open it up. Where were they? They're very teeny tiny. Oh, so cute. Let's look in the other. So cute. Oh. Oh, they've got little tiny legs all around them. We need to find somewhere warm for the caterpillars. It will take them 1 to 2 weeks to grow and turn into a chrysalis. We will keep an eye on the caterpillars and watch them grow. Then they will turn into butterflies, fly through the air. We don't need to give them any food. They eat this brown stuff in the bottom of the pot. Can you see the teeny caterpillar wiggling around? Next day, the caterpillars has already grown. The caterpillars kept eating and they left lots of poos behind. Our caterpillars has grown more. Now stick to the seedling. The caterpillars laid silk inside the pots. They've turned ginormous now. The caterpillars keep growing. There's a tiny prickly ball there. An exoskeleton. It's really interesting to watch the caterpillars walking around. Can you remember how tiny the caterpillars were when they arrived? Look at them now, enormous. The caterpillars has eaten loads of the food in the pot. There is loads of food inside the pots now. They must be gonna turn into chrysalises soon. Look what's happening! The caterpillars are all hanging on the ceiling and they're going to make the chrysalises. They've used their silk to stick to the leg. Look at them now. They're wiggling around inside the chrysalises. The chrysalis has gone still now. Only one more caterpillar to make us chrysalis. Then we can put them inside a butterfly net. The caterpillar has turned into chrysalises. We need to put the chrysalises inside the butterfly net. outside. We need to get these boxes out to stand the lids in from these pots. We've got these two boxes to stand the lids in to keep the chrysalis safe inside the net. Next, we need to carefully take the lids off the pots. Once the caterpillars has all turned in the chrysalises, then we waited for 10 days. Come back and watch my next video to see what happened. If you want to buy a butterfly kit like mine, there's a link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like it. Bye! Oh, what a feeling when the caterpillars are dancing on the ceiling.